Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Digital Safety. Do you think cybercriminals operate in the shadows with total impunity? Think again. Recently, the FBI and the U.S. Department of Justice led an international operation to shut down Biden Cash, a massive dark web marketplace. They seized approximately 145 internet domains that serve this platform. Did you know those cybercriminals have stolen enough credit card numbers to fill a football stadium? Let me explain how this affects you. Imagine if someone stole your car keys and sold them online. That's exactly what happened with Biden Cash. This digital marketplace sold 15 million stolen credit card numbers as easily as ordering pizza. Criminals would buy these keys to steal people's money. You might think this can't happen to you, but phishing attacks work like magic tricks. They make fake websites look real or send urgent emails pretending to be your bank. Just one click could let them take your money. But here's the good news. Protecting yourself is simpler than locking your front door. First, look for HTTPS, MOS, and the padlock icon in your browser. That's your digital deadbolt. And take a second to check the sender's address. Scammers are clever. They sometimes change just one letter in the address to trick you. For example, HTTPS yourrealbank.com with a K letter might become yourrealbank.com with a C letter. If the address looks strange, even by a single letter, don't click on anything. If you receive such a request, it's a trap. If in doubt, you should be the one to call your bank using the official phone number you know. Shh. Second, never share card details through emails or unexpected calls. Third, use free password managers to create unbreakable codes. Finally, keep your devices updated. Think of it as giving your gadgets armor. You don't need to be a tech expert to stay safe. Remember, banks will never ask for your full card details through email. When in doubt, call their official number. Let's make cybercriminals go hungry, starve them of targets. Check your browser's address bar right now and share this video with someone you care about. Together we can build a safer digital world. Stay vigilant. The digital world moves very fast. To stay protected with the latest breaking news and our simple safety guides, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Did this video help? Like and share with your friends to protect more people. Follow Easy Digital Safety for more tips and simple tutorials to stay safe online.